Hi everyone, welcome to Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Today we're gonna cook huangmenji, beer-braised chicken with vegetables. We are on location in Cape Canaveral, Florida. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. We need chicken. I normally use chicken thigh and cut into this size. Next we need some vegetables. Potatoes, jalapeno, and carrot are the ones that I normally choose. If you have mushrooms at home, you can use the white or black mushrooms too. Next is the seasonings. And in the seasonings, we have the Chinese old tradition seasonings, soy sauce, garlic salt, and chicken bouillon, and Chinese cooking wine. If you don't have it, white wine is fine. And most important, beer. Don't use the IPA, the really bitter ones, just regular beer is fine. And if you like spicy, you can have some dry pepper and anise. I always use this when I cook meat. And sugars. First, we're gonna season the chicken. A little bit soy sauce. And some garlic salt, not too much. Just give the chicken some base flavor. And leave it there, we're gonna prepare the vegetables. Let's cut the vegetables into almost same size as the chicken, so it will cook evenly. The reason why I'm cutting it like this, not just cut it through, because normally I use chopsticks. If you cut it into perfect square, it will give you a hard time to pick it up using chopsticks. That's a trick my mom taught me. Well, the jalapeno seed can be very spicy. If you like spicy, you can keep some of them. If you can't, so just kind of clean it. It won't taste too spicy in the dish. Now let's cook the chicken on the stove. Let's put the chicken in the pan. At the same time, we're gonna add some dry pepper and anise into it. And we can also add some more soy sauce to give it more color. And wait until the color change. It's time for the beer. Make it just a little bit over the chicken. To make it taste better, we need to add some sugar. Gently stir it and let the bubble out. Let's move it to the pressure cooker. When I cook this dish, I like to use my pressure cooker because it can save me some time. But if you don't have a pressure cooker at home, you can leave it on the stove, put on a lid, and just let it cook, and then you put vegetable in it. Let's have a look how I use this pressure cooker. Let's put on the lid and remember to seal it here so the air won't go out. It will create a high pressure environment inside, make your meat cooked very soft. Next, we're gonna use pressure cooker, this one here. Press it once, and then I use 5 minutes, means after the high pressure environment it's generated, it will stay there for 5 minutes. And now it started. Now the meat is done. We can see that the countdown is over. Let's open it and put vegetables in it. Come on, have a look. And now we can see the chicken is all cooked, but let's put these vegetables in it. And the jalapenos. Stir it a little bit. Let everyone got some juice on top of it. And at this time, you can taste the soup a little bit. Since we add vegetable, it will get less salty than it's right now. If you think you need to add a little bit more salt, it's time to do it now. A little bit salt. This is the Chinese cooking one I introduced at the beginning. It was supposed to be cooked with the raw meat, but I forgot. Now let's put a little bit in it. Now let's cover it and let it cook. We're gonna still use pressure cook, but this time we're gonna move it to a little less time, 2 minutes, because if you cook it too much, the potato will be too soft to eat. And here we go. Okay, this is today's dish, beer-braised chicken with vegetables. Let's welcome today's special guest taster, Marcus, to have a try. Marcus?
Hi.
Have a try.
Oh, bad.
Be careful, it's hot.
Oh, yeah. That's fire. Like, it's spicy, but it's pretty fire.
You like it?
Yeah.
I'm glad you like it. So this is for today's Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.